Welcome to Wildcraft Builds. With my 15 years of experience, today I'm going to show you how to build a perfect cabin in the middle of nature using only wood and manual skills. The distance between each stake is being measured accurately with a tape to ensure the structure is built to the correct dimensions. Large concrete slabs for the foundation are being placed one by one at designated spots. A leveler is being used to check if the concrete slabs are perfectly parallel to the ground. Stone chips are being poured into the foundation pits from bags. After placing the slabs, their height and flatness are being measured once again. A large black landscape fabric is being spread to prevent weeds or moisture from the soil. To prevent the fabric from shifting, it is being secured to the ground with metal pins. Small stones are being taken out of bags and spread into the empty spaces around the slabs. Large wooden planks for the cabin are being coated with a protective layer or stain using a brush. The strong wooden posts for the main four corners of the cabin are being placed on the concrete slabs. The planks are being joined diagonally to each other to create the floor frame. Large screws are being attached with a drill machine so that the planks do not move. Many more wooden beams are being placed in the center for the floor to make it strong. Large plywood sheets are being laid over the floor frame. The floor is now fully ready and looks level, which will make the subsequent wall construction easier. Long wooden planks are being arranged to build the main wall frame of the cabin. The wall frames are being raised onto the floor one by one and secured with screws. Temporary supports are being used to ensure the wall frame stands straight. Now the entire skeleton or surrounding frame of the cabin is standing, which looks like the shape of a house. Beams or rafters are being placed one by one at the top for constructing the roof. A large wooden plank or rafter is being placed to create the roof structure of the cabin. Wooden rafters are being installed in a row to create a sturdy frame that will support the roof's weight. The upper wall frame or gable section of the cabin is being perfectly installed, which will provide the roof with proper balance and protection. Plywood sheets are being placed over the roof frame to create a solid covering that will protect the cabin from sun and rain. A wooden plank is being placed and secured with screws using a drill, which will hold the plywood sheets firmly in place. Corrugated roofing sheets are being placed over the plywood so that the cabin is fully waterproof and rainwater drains off quickly. Plywood sheets are being carefully placed to cover the wall frame of the cabin, which will protect the interior from weather elements. A white moisture-resistant house wrap is being applied over the plywood walls of the cabin, which will protect the wood from rainwater and dampness, making the structure more durable. The window and door openings are being cut out from the house wrap to create pathways for light and ventilation. The window and door frames of the cabin are being perfectly installed, preparing the structure for use. Wooden siding planks are being installed in rows over the white house wrap to make the exterior walls strong and beautiful. Wooden siding is being skillfully installed below the window, giving the exterior wall an aesthetic and natural appearance. After finishing the installation of wooden siding on all the exterior walls, the cabin now looks like a complete and beautiful house. A long wooden corner trim is being installed to strengthen and neatly finish the corners, giving the structure a tidy look. The window sash is being prepared by perfectly fitting the glass into the wooden frame. Metal hinges are being firmly attached to the window shutters using a drill machine, which will help connect the shutters to the frame. The wooden shutter is being permanently fixed to the window frame using a drill machine, completing the window installation. After installing the wooden shutters on the outside, the glass window is now being neatly fitted onto the intersection using hinges. Concrete slabs are being aligned at precise distances using a measuring tape to create the foundation for the porch. A long wooden beam is being placed horizontally on the posts to build the floor frame of the porch. A thick wooden beam is being attached horizontally at the base of the posts to create the steps for entering the house. Wooden planks are being laid one by one onto the frame to create the steps of the staircase. Wooden planks are being arranged in rows on the frame to complete the floor of the porch. The floor planks are being permanently attached to the frame using a drill, completing the construction of the porch. A long wooden trim is being attached to the side of the porch floor to give it a neat and finished look. Several wooden planks are being joined together to construct a sturdy main door for the cabin. Metal hinges are being permanently attached to the door panel using a drill machine. The main door of the cabin is being permanently installed onto the frame using hinges, giving the structure a complete look. A beautiful wooden knob is being installed on the main door, making it fully ready for use. A metal strike plate is being installed on the door frame to ensure the door closes properly. Wooden planks are being arranged in rows on the floor to prepare the interior of the house. The wooden floor planks are being permanently attached to the frame using a drill machine. The floor wood is being polished, which will protect it from pests and moisture in the future, making the structure more durable. The bench frame is being strengthened with a drill to ensure long-lasting and comfortable seating. A protective polish is being applied to the bench, which will safeguard the wood from pests and moisture, making the interior more durable and beautiful. Small wooden supports are being attached to the wall with a drill to firmly hold the shelves, which will help in organizing various items. Long wooden planks are being measured and precisely cut to make shelves, which will help make the interior more beautiful and organized. The installation of wooden planks to complete the shelves is being finished, which will help in organizing the interior and keeping it tidy. Friends, if you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your feedback is very valuable to us. Thank you.